Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another update. You're going to see a lot of progress today. So the framers came in this week. There's a lot of wood here. Let me just swing around and you can see the wood that's here. All the wood for the project is here, which is good. So we're going to go just a little run of where we are, and you're going to see a lot here today. So let me just swing around, and as you can see, a lot of work was done. The deck is on, basically the flooring, the joists, and the floorboards, the subfloor is on. The project is basically ready for the walls to start. We still have a lot of work to go to tie it into the house. We have to cut through that back wall that's right here. All of this is going to go, and this is going to be cut through right here. So this window here is going to be covered up by the roof. This window here is going to become a doorway. So as you can see, this is a pretty big space. One of the problems with a project like this is that you could lose some windows, and we are going to lose a window to a bathroom. The bathroom is on the mid-level. Our kids use that bathroom. It's nice to have the window, but we're going to lose that window. So let's just get a little walk around here. We have 26 foot from basically where I'm standing to that back wall, where that black piece of tar paper is dead ahead. That is going to become a doorway that's going to lead into where the dining room is going to be. There's a kitchen there now. Up here is that bathroom window that we're going to lose. And about the top of that tie vac where the white turns into gray is going to be the roof line. So the roof is going to slope back. It's going to be a relatively flat roof. There will be a slope to it. Will not be a peaked roof like we have over here. So this whole wall will be eliminated. Of course, there will be a post on one side and a post in the other, but this will all be open to our den, which will give direct access to the new kitchen. So a lot of work was done. This is a pretty big update. It doesn't look like much, but it is. So I'm basically at elevation of where the floor will be for the new kitchen. And you can see how high we are over our backyard right now. So thanks for tuning in. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and look forward to the next one. Bye now.